mama mama lupitikana yana. Oi mama 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 lupitikana yana.
Are you willing to invest one day into a DIY project to ensure that you and your household have forever water no matter what is going on around you? Complaining about the government and who did what and why is completely over. All you have to focus on right now is your family's hydration and hygiene. Did you know you can easily maintain all of your family's water needs and water your plants without being connected to the municipal supply? This means you can save water and money all at the same time. And how do I know this? Because I have successfully implemented all the water saving and sanitation systems around my garden and home. And I have taught thousands of people around the world how you can do this too.
After I finish this wetland system and grey water harvesting using Alosha's online course, I have about 2,500 litres every week extra to use in the garden.
The good news for you is that I have perfected the formula for you. I've traveled the world attending live workshops from the top eco giants in the water ecological field. Upon my arrival back here at this property, I have practically implemented all of the water ecosystems around my garden and home. And if you follow our perfected step-by-step detailed video tutorials, just like JP and George did, you are guaranteed to instantly increase your available water around your household without having to use more municipal water than you're already using. Just imagine doubling your water after one day without having to pay for it. This water coming out of this tap is coming directly from my DIY built water reservoir, backed up by my eco pool, all filtered with a slow sand biochar filtration, which we built in one weekend under 2,000 Rand. And this water is actually going straight into my garden, feeding my flowers and herbs. In fact, I have cut myself off completely from municipal supply over a year ago because I'm fully water self-sufficient. Are you ready to take some action and turn your home into a self-sufficient water paradise? Enter your details right below and you will receive instant access to my free webinar, Forever Water. Together we can save more water easily. Let me show you how.